Hey Glam babes. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So starting off, I already did my brows and one eye off camera. So next I'm going to be doing one eye with you guys, and I'm going to be using the Morphe and James Charles palette, the mini palette, and I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer as a base for my eyelid. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get a brush and blend that out so it can be even. So I basically blended that out. Now I'm taking the yellow from this palette and I'm going to use that as a transition color to start off, and I'm just going to build that color up a little bit and blend it out. Next, I'm going to take this light orange and burnt orange, and I'm going to put that underneath the yellow to make it look seamless or like a gradient effect. So yeah, I'm just going to use that color and build that one up as well. But yeah, y'all get the gist of it. Just keep watching me do this, and I'm going to blend it out as much as I can. So next I'm going in with this hot pink color. This color is basically going to be my lid color. My lid color. But yeah, I'm just gonna build that color up as well, just to give it a more vivid look. These colors in this palette are really vibrant, so I don't have to build them up as much, but when I do apply the color, it really picks it up. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend it out and keep adding the colors until I get my desired look. Okay, so next I'm going in with this NYX matte liquid liner in the color black, of course, And then I already primed my face with the NYX Shine Killer, and then I'm going in with this CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Soft Tan, and it's the same color that I used on my eyes. And so I'm just gonna put that on, and then I almost forgot to put my foundation on before I started blending, so I'm also gonna be using this NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation, and it is in the shade Mahogany. And I feel like this foundation is pretty, it gives you great coverage, even though you don't have to put on a lot. Like, I didn't even put on that much. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that on and blend both of these out. Okay, excuse the rain, y'all. If y'all hear that, then it's raining here in Florida while I'm doing this voiceover, you know, very disrespectful. But okay. But yeah, I'm just blending this out as much as I can to get a flawless looking beat, as y'all would say. But yeah, y'all just keep watching me beat my face, and I'm gonna come back when I start using my setting powder and contour and all that stuff. So I'm now using the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder, and I believe it's translucent. Yeah, it's translucent. Translucent. Tongue-tied. But yeah, I usually use the Airspun, but sometimes the Airspun makes it look cracked under my eyes. But I just decided to use the Black Radiance because I like how it looks. So yeah, that's what I'm using, and I'm just putting that on the areas that I put my concealer on. I don't like to let it sit on for too long. I mean, sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't, because I don't want it to be too cakey or heavy. So yeah. Now I'm just brushing it off with a clean puffy brush, and the next thing that I'm going to be using on my contour is going to be the Black Radiance contour palette, medium to dark, and I use the Sculpt shade. I usually use the contour shade, which is the darkest one in the palette, but I end up using the sculpting shade, which is not too dark for my skin tone, so that's what I use for my contour now. And I actually like this company, the Black Radiance. Their products are really good. I recommend you go get them. You can get it from Walmart, any drugstore, I believe any drugstore like CVS, Walgreens, or Rite Aid if you have it. Any drugstore really, Target. But yeah. Next, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Powder, and it is the color Neutral or N7 Classic Tan. And I use this for all over my face to blend everything out so it doesn't look harsh. And yeah, I'm just putting it all over my face. Next, I am going in with the Maybelline New York Fit Me blush, and it is in the shade Plum Prune. Yeah, I picked this color out because I thought it was really cute, and it's not too vibrant. It's like a creamy, smooth texture, and it's super easy to blend, and it also gives you a natural look. And I wasn't going for like that super highlighted look, so I didn't use any highlighter. So I just skipped that step, and then I'm lining my lips with, sorry if y'all hear the squeaking, it's my chair. But yeah, I'm lining my lips with NYX lip pencil in Espresso. And then I was trying to figure out what lip color I wanted to do, because I didn't want it to be, you know, too dramatic, because my eyes are already popping. So yeah, the lip color that I chose is by MAC, and it is in the shade or color Show Orchid. It is an actual lipstick. It says amplified cream. I actually thought it would go on matte, but it's like a It's actually like a, I don't know, like a sheer creamy type of formula. And so next I'm spraying my face with a setting spray that I got from TJ Maxx, and it is by The Body Shop. It's called Strawberry Smoothing Face Mist, and it hydrates, smooths, and is makeup friendly, and I could just apply this whenever. But it does smell like strawberry, and it does smooth my makeup. So I'm just using my brush and just patting everything in so it can be seamless. And yeah, that is the final look. If you guys like this look, please let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.